So good morning and welcome to Heidi's home, and I hope y'all are doing fantastic this morning. Ronnie and I just finished off an entire pot of coffee, and he is headed out to the gym, and
we're wired for sound this morning. I'm
he's
ready to hit the water.
he's watered for sound. he's wired for sound. He's going to the pool today, which he's a lucky duck because I haven't been able to go all week. But today I've got several things that I want to get done and thought that I would take you along with me while I get it done. We have company coming tomorrow. And we're going to go to Menards and go shopping. I don't know what all kind of trouble we're going to get into, but you never can tell with Ronnie's cousin.
So you better be ready, cuz.
Yeah, you better be ready. You better have some comfortable shoes on, and you better eat, and you better have a snack packed in your bag because you're going to go out for a while. But anyways, yeah, we're planning to go out with them tomorrow, and I'm going to make a lasagna and some garlic bread. And, yeah, that's what we're going to do. And it's going to be nice. So I am finishing off my coffee this morning. I think by the time that you see this, you'll know that I bought the Chobani, or the Chobani. I'm not sure how they say it, but I think it's Chobani, brand coffee creamer in the toasted coconut. Do I like it? Yes. It is. First of all, it's expensive. I mean, do you all think it's expensive? But I mean, if you take in consideration that a lot of people go to Starbucks a couple times a week, then it's not expensive. It is the better way and the more inexpensive way to go. And I will tell you, if you want to know if it's any good, it is delicious. And it smells really good. It's almost like an Almond Joy. That's what it smells like. And it has I have had other coconut coffee creamers, and I will say that this, if you really like the coconut flavor, this is the way to go because it really has an immense, rich coconut flavor to it, and I have really enjoyed it. I may not buy it all the time because it is costly, but you know what? As a treat, it is really, really good. It is really good. So today we've got several things in the works. I'm going to be doing a little bit of house cleaning, which I'll take you guys along. I've got to cook up some chicken. I'm going to use my new chicken shredder. We're going to have chicken tacos tonight.
It was so good last week that we just need it again.
Yeah, you guys seen that I got the new chicken shredder, and I was kind of doing a review on it. It is awesome. It's worth every penny. And also, too, let me tell you that we got like at least 5 meals out of that chicken. You know, I especially will be eating the chicken because I put it on top of salad and I make a meal out of it. And that's how I've lost weight, is eating a lot of chicken and that kind of thing. A lot of salad, which I don't mind because a lot of people are like, oh, I'm so sorry, it's all you get to eat. But actually, for me, it doesn't bother me because I prefer it over anything else.
I don't mind it as long as it's like in a Mexican style.
Yeah, he don't mind eating chicken and stuff like that as long as it's spiced up. So we're going to have chicken tacos today, and then I'm just going to put the meat on top of a salad, and that's what I'm going to eat for dinner today. And then I think I'm going to cook up a lasagna and just have it in the refrigerator. So all I have to do is put it in the oven tomorrow and let it bake for when company arrives tomorrow. They said they would be here noon to 1. I'm going to bet on 1.
Yes.
Because they never come at noon. And they say noon to 1, but I know better.
More like from 1 to 1:30.
Right. And they drive all the way from where, babe?
It's cross lanes. It's probably about 38-40 minutes.
Yeah, so they have a little drive.
It's straight shot on the interstate. So.
Right, so they have a little drive. It's like coming from Charleston kind of area. But anyways, so the garbage man ran this morning. I ran outside, got the can, pulled it back in already today. And a visually impaired person does things. So I'm going to finish off my coffee. And my hubby here is going to go off to the gym, and then we're going to get started and get things done. I just shredded all of my chicken. You can see it here. The shredder does fantabulous. I mean, where has this thing been my whole life? It literally took me like less than 5 minutes to shred all of the chicken I cooked up. So that is awesome. So basically what I do is I save my drippings and I put a little bit in with the chicken. I'm going to add salsa, some taco seasoning, and I'm going to load it in stand-in stuff. Taco shells with cheese, slip it into the oven, and then top it with all the goodies, you know, jalapenos and all the things that we like. And then that is how I make my chicken tacos. And then what I will do, that will be for my husband. For me, I will have my taco meat, or my chicken, if you will, on top of a salad. And I will have all of my fat-free goodness on top of it, and that is what I will be eating. But yeah, save your drippings, because sometimes, see, this is already cooked, so it's not going to distribute any more liquids, but just to keep it so it's not on the dry side, I save the liquids, you know, that come off of the chicken so that I can add a little bit if need be. So I'm going to get this back on the burner, get all of my things added to it, and get... Ronnie should be home here really shortly. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning, and I am filming. I started this video, I think, yesterday, and I just felt like I had limited to share. So today, as you can already tell, I made a chocolate cake, and I made a lasagna. Ronnie's cousins are coming over today, and we are going to have lunch/dinner with them. And then we're going to go out and go to Menards and have a browse out today. It is nice out, but it's cloudy. Not as much sunshine as we would like, but it's still very nice. I feel like I'm kind of dressed kind of redneck, but I'm wearing mossy oak t-shirt, camouflage, and ripped jeans today. But that's as good as it's going to get. So, it is 11:25, and so I need to take out the garbages. I need to run the sweeper down here. I need to clean off the kitchen table a little bit. And then about 15 after 12, I'm going to put the lasagna in the oven. And I might go out on the deck and just enjoy a little bit of fresh air if I get a chance. I've already made my bed. Well, I've got dressed. I made the bed. I ran the sweeper upstairs. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly kind of tidy up down here and get the trash out because the trash needs to go out. It's getting full. But yeah, that's about it. And then we'll eat and we're going to go out and have a nice day out. Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. It's Sunday, and I realized today that I did not close out my video yesterday. So I was like, hey, I better close it out. And what a better way than whenever I'm nicely dressed for church service this morning to close out this video. So this is a big change from mossy oak shirt and ripped jeans yesterday, which was my go-to look. And yesterday I thought, yeah, I don't have to dress up. I'm just going to wear, my jeans and my mossy oak shirt because I'm going to the hardware store. And I ended up going into the Dollar Tree, and this lady that was working there says, hey, do you have a YouTube channel? And I thought, out of all days to run into somebody at the store, when I didn't really have all that much makeup on and I looked like, like I'd come out of the barn. But anyway, but it was all good. So this morning is Sunday. We're headed out to church. Yesterday was a really good day out. We really needed that. My chocolate cake that I made was a huge success. I will try to remember to link the video where I got that recipe. In fact, I just pulled it offline the day before yesterday because I thought I have everything to make that, and I need a dessert because I'm having company for lunch or dinner or whatever. And very simple ingredients, very easy to put together. It's a very dense, not dense, but moist, very rich cake. But if you like a no-bake cookie, you'll love this chocolate cake. It kind of reminds me of that, but it's not a cookie. Oh, it's so good. I did take one little bite out of the corner of it because I wanted to make sure it tasted good, and my husband loved it. My company loved it, so it was a win-win. The lasagna was a good hit. I had just enough lasagna noodles. I was like, oh my goodness, I thought this was a new box, but I had gotten into it previously and I forgot. And so, but I had just enough. It all came together. It was all delicious. And nobody was the wiser that I was just about out of noodles, but it was all good. I mean, you can throw cheese on stuff and get away with anything. But anyhow, so we went to, where did we go? We went to Ollie's. You guys know Ollie's, Ollies. I don't know if you have one in your area. All I bought was some Gain-scented laundry crystals and some Febreze spray, and I bought a couple tarps. They were $2.99, which I thought was really reasonable. I went to Menards to get the containers for the office upstairs, so I bought those. And then I went to the Dollar Tree, and I got some batteries and some hair things because it was completely out. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got yesterday. So nothing fancy really to share on here, but we had a nice time. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My breakfast is getting done in the kitchen, and I'm going to go in there and eat. But thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you see me out in public, don't hesitate to say hi to me if you recognize me. But don't criticize me too bad if you met me in my mossy oak and ripped jeans yesterday. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.